guys, I'm doing a video. I fixed this TV.
No, you didn't.
My dad, no, I didn't do this bit because it was too hard. We shouldn't breathe in because tell the story about your lung infection thing.
If we breathe in too much of the metal stuff, it's easier to say it wrong.
Yeah. Don't breathe in solder wire stuff. I'm gonna screw this in and get my dad to video it.
What's it then? Who's got to do that? At the go?
We are putting the TV back together and I'm back. Yeah. Oh, my dad smashed glass and I kinda got it on my foot. I'm bleeding. It's not bad, it's like a little shot. But there's glass everywhere. We're gonna use the Drill 500, I think. What's your drill called?
What's the drill?
We call it the Drill 500. What?
I just call it the drill.
That's you guys been told. The drill, look at this. Putting a screw. Use a screw? Many screws?
Oil.
Oh god. That noise, see when you're taking a screw out? When that noise does that, that's when you know that it's ready to be taken out. Don't keep doing it if that noise... Yeah. Okay.
To do that day anymore?
Yeah, you video it?
Alright.
Right.
Right, no, I'll show you how to do it first.
Alright.
Just hold
You
it
do
there,
the
I'll show you how to
two.
do it. Screwdriver. You don't know how to do it with the drill yet. Try it with a screwdriver. Too loose. Do I try it with the drill now?
Yes.
There you go. Press the drill down, press it down into the screwdriver so it tightens it. There you go. This one. And fan.
It's getting quite easy.
See, because you get used to it doing it with a screwdriver. Sort it.
Oh, it's a wee bit out.